Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to post Shopify blogs to Facebook groups. Suppose you want that whenever a new blog is created in your Shopify store related to any new trend or a new fashion, you want that same blog should also be posted in your Facebook groups. So how you are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that you will have to integrate Shopify with Facebook, and to do the same we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Shopify in our trigger and Facebook groups in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that as soon as a new blog will be posted in your Shopify store, soon it will also be posted automatically in your Facebook group. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically post a Shopify blog on our Facebook groups. Okay, so let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, in order to create this workflow, we have to come on our browser and then we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. When we do that, we will come on the landing page of this software. Now here we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And it will take only 2 minutes. Also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly. Here we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Let's click on access now. And it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it. And here we have to enter two details. First of all, we have to give the name to this workflow. And then we have to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So first of all, let us give the name. So I have given the name to this workflow as share Shopify blog on Facebook groups automatically. Okay, so after giving the name, we have to select the folder. So I want to save this workflow in home. So I have selected it already. Let's click on create. And we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and other is action. So this automation basically works on these principles, trigger and action, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means action follows what the trigger says. Here, for example, we are going to take Shopify in our trigger and Facebook group in our action. And we want that whenever we post a new blog on Shopify, automatically the response of that blog should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using the same response, automatically a post should be created, and by using that same response, automatically the same blog should be shared on our Facebook groups. Okay, so this is going to be our full automation. Okay, so let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select our trigger application, which is Shopify. Let's select it. And now we will select our trigger event. So in our trigger event, we have to select new blog entry. Done. So in order to connect Shopify account with Pabbly Connect, let's click on this connect button. And here it is asking us for two options, add new connection or select existing connection. So if you have already built a connection with Shopify, you can go with the existing connection. Here I'm going with add new connection to build a fresh connection with Shopify account. Okay, so as soon as we click on add new connection, we can find that we have to enter two details over here. First is the admin API access token and the next is enter subdomain. So from where we are going to find this subdomain, for that we have to go on our Shopify store. In our URL in Shopify account, we will find that before myshopify.com, this is our subdomain. Okay, so let me take you to my Shopify store. So this is the store and here this is the URL of the store. And before myshopify.com, this is the subdomain I have. I will copy it and paste it over here. So in the same manner, you have to find your subdomain from your Shopify store under URL. Okay, so before myshopify.com, this will be your subdomain. Okay, now let us move towards admin API access token. How we are going to get it? For that, we will have to develop and install an app in Shopify account. Okay, so let me again take you to my Shopify account and I will tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. This is my Shopify account, and under that we have to go on settings section in order to get the API access token. So after coming on settings section, we can find the option of apps and sales channels. So let's select it. And here we have to go on the option develop apps. After coming on it, we can find the option of create an app. Let's click on it. And here we have to enter a name for our new app. So here I'm going to enter the name as new blog. Okay. just a random name which comes into my mind. You can give any name to your app. Now after giving the name, let's click on create app. And here our app is ready. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to set configuration for this app. Okay, so for that we have to go on configuration option, and then we will go on admin API integration. So we are creating this application here in Shopify account in order to generate the API access token for connecting this Shopify account with Pabbly Connect, so that whenever a new blog will be created in our Shopify store, the response could be automatically shared with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for that, here from the given options we have to go on the content section. Let us search content here. Okay, so this is the content, store content, and here we have to check these two boxes, write content and read content. Okay, so basically we are giving the right to view or manage our articles or blogs, okay, comments, pages and redirect. So basically we have selected both these boxes, and by selecting these boxes we have given the right to manage our articles and blogs, so that Shopify could share the blogs which we create in Shopify store to Pabbly Connect in response. So after selecting these boxes, let's click on save. And our configuration is saved. Now the next step is that we have to go on API credentials. So here, to get the API credential, we have to first install this app which we have recently created. Let's click on install. And the app is installed. And with this, we can find that our API access token is also generated. Let's click on reveal token once, and then we will copy this token and we will paste it here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, done. Click on save. So our Shopify account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. In the same manner, you have to generate your API access token in order to connect Shopify account with Pabbly Connect by creating and installing the app. Okay, so after making the connection, we have to select the blog ID. So I have 3 IDs here: fashion, integration and automation, and news. So here I want that whenever a new blog will be created in this fashion ID, then I want the response here in Pabbly Connect. So I have selected it. Okay, you can also select in the same manner the blog ID. Let's click on save and send test request. And we have received the response. So basically the polling time of Shopify is 8 hours. So we have received the response of the blog which was recently created within 8 hours. Okay, so here Shopify is going to check for new response in every 8 hours and will send the response automatically. So now let me take you to my Shopify account again. And here, after coming on home, I will take you to online store. So this is my online store, and under that we have to go on blog post. Okay, so these are all the blogs which I have created. So in the fashion group, I have created the street style trends for summer, and this is the latest blog which I have created within 8 hours, and the same response is received in Pabbly Connect. Okay, street style trends for summer. So I am going to share this blog only with Facebook page. We can also create a new blog post by clicking on this add blog post button. Okay, so for now, in order to show you the response, I am going to use this blog only, and we have already received the response of this blog. Now by using this response, we are going to create a post on our Facebook group. Okay, so let's select our trigger application, which is going to be Facebook group. Let's select it. And in our action event, we will select post message, because we want to share a blog on Facebook group which is going to be shared in the form of a message. Click on connect in order to build a connection, and here we will select add new connection to build a fresh connection with Facebook groups. Okay, click on connect with Facebook groups, and here let us select the account. So we can find that automatically our authorization is successful and our Facebook group account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Because I was already logged into my Facebook account, so making up a connection with Pabbly Connect has become very easy. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your Facebook account before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. Now let's move on, and here we have to first of all select the group in which we want to create the post. So I will again take you to my Facebook account, and these are the groups I have. So I want to create the post in this particular group which is named as social circle. Okay, so I want that as soon as a new blog is created in Shopify, automatically the same blog should also be posted here on my social circle group. Okay, so for that I'm going to select social circle in Pabbly Connect from the drop down. Let's select it, done. And the next is message. So here in the field of message, we have to select the message which we want to post. So what I want here is the blog which I want to post in the form of message. So we will select it, and it is mapped. So because we have used mapping here, therefore now every time a new response will be captured in Pabbly Connect, this field is going to be changed with the new response. Okay, basically with the new blog. But if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it will not change with every new response. Therefore, whenever in our automation we want that the data should change with every new response, there we have to use the step of mapping. Okay, so we have mapped this message. Now if you want to attach an image also with this message, you can add the URL of that very image here in this field. Because I do not want to share an image currently, therefore I'm ignoring this field. Okay, so let's click on save and send test request. And we have received the response along with the post ID, which is recently created in our Facebook group. So let's go and check on our Facebook group. So this is the group. Let's refresh the page once. And here we can find that yes, the same blog which we have received from Shopify response is posted here. So that means our workflow is perfectly successful and we have built a connection between Shopify and Facebook in such a way that now whenever a new blog will be posted on Shopify, automatically the same blog will also be posted on our Facebook group. Okay, so this is the whole workflow and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to create this workflow. Now this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.